Hello, my name is Peter Pepe. I am the Deputy Commissioner. The Massachusetts Department of Corrections produced this video to inform visitors to our institutions that we will be introducing the use of canines to detect the introduction of drugs into the facility. Drug use, in many times, is one of the root causes of criminal activity. The continued use of drugs in prison is illegal. It severely impacts our reentry efforts to return your friends, family members, and loved ones to the community better able to cope with the stresses that they will surely face. It holds severe consequences for you and the men and women in our custody, such as returning them to higher security, serving time in segregation, criminal prosecutions for the visitor and the offender, and the barring of visitors. The Massachusetts Department of Corrections is committed to use every available resource to positively affect an inmate's reentry back to society. We provide programming, education, substance abuse programming, the reduction in security levels, family reunification, and employment. All of these things that I have just listed are jeopardized by illicit drug use and trafficking in our prison. Included in our reentry plan for inmates is eliminating all negative temptations, including the access of illegal drugs. We test the inmate's urine, conduct searches, utilize drug-detecting canines, all to deter the use of illegal substances. In the very near future, we will randomly introduce non-aggressive drug-detecting canines to the visitor processing in our facility.
The video that you are about to view is that of a passive narcotic canine from the Massachusetts Department of Correction searching a visitor's lobby for the presence of narcotics. Our narcotics canines are highly trained and use their keen sense of smell to alert on the presence of narcotics. What you are viewing right now is a passive narcotics dog systematically searching the lobby of a visiting area. The only thing that we ask of staff and visitors is not to pat the dog while they are searching. It is systematically going through its search routine, and when it is done, the handler will remove the collar and the dog will be in its regular mode. When the dog indicates the presence of narcotics, it will sit down and press its nose to the object or location. This is how the dog has been trained. When the dog alerts, the handler feeds the dog. As mentioned earlier, the dog will not bite or scratch at the area that it indicates on. What we are about to view now is a narcotics search with a passive narcotic dog, a search of persons entering the facility. Again, this is a passive narcotic dog. It will not bite or scratch. It will passively alert by sitting and pressing its nose to the area where it detects narcotics. The dog will systematically work the room around the people. If the person that the dog is searching has narcotics or the scent of narcotics on them, the dog will sit next to them and place its nose as close to the narcotic scent as possible. Again, the dog will not bite or scratch the area. It will only passively alert by sitting and pressing its nose to the scent of the narcotics.
The Massachusetts Department of Corrections' primary mission is public safety. We do this in many different ways. We provide for public safety through managing safe, secure, and humane correctional facilities. We provide many programs, education and vocational opportunities to the inmates in our care. We provide medical and mental health and pro-social programming to attend to our offenders' needs. We make every attempt to equip the inmate in our care with the tools that they need to re-enter society and become productive, law-abiding citizens. Making every effort to ensure that our correctional facilities are drug-free will enhance our goals for your friends, family members, and loved ones. It is our sincere hope that you will be supportive of these efforts. If, as a visitor, you are supporting negative behavior, please stop. You are having a major impact on the successful reentry of the person that you are visiting. If you witness others who are attempting to enter this facility with the purpose of introducing drugs, we are asking for your help to stop them from continuing their criminal behavior and putting your friends and loved ones at risk. If you have any information that may help us in our efforts, please contact the Department of Corrections tip line at 1-866-MDOC TIP or at 508-422-3425. The Department of Corrections will be successful in our reentry initiatives through partnering with all of its stakeholders, including those people who visit and provide positive support and act as role models to those who are incarcerated in our prison. Thank you for your anticipated cooperation and support.